Hi, everyone. My name is Amy Thompson, and I'm the Transportation Policy Analyst over at Transform. And I worked with Maya Love, a visiting data fellow with the Coro program, to make this Python workshop that walks users through how to analyze the new Bay Area parking census data, which was created in collaboration with Spur and supported by their sponsors, Robert Wood Johnson Foundation and the Mineta Transportation Institute. As mentioned in the blog post, this Python workshop is accessible to anyone with the free software, Jupyter Notebooks. All the data that you need for this workshop is free, and it's linked within the Python notebook instructions. You'll see I have the Python notebook in my downloads here, and I'll show you how to open everything up. I'm going to scroll to the top. The point of this video is really to show you how simple it can be to use this workshop. It'll load onto your computer with the data, with the code already written, and you can utilize and adapt it. With just a limited familiarity with Python or an interest in downloading it and learning how to use it, this workshop is really accessible because it has these written instructions walking you through everything. I'm going to scroll to two figures that are included in the workshop. So first we will load the data in and walk you through. And then there's some code here showing you how to tabulate the different types of parking across the Bay Area and then produce a chart comparing the difference between on-street and off-street parking. Next, we move into visualization, where there's code showing you how to map spatially the concentrations of different types of parking across the Bay Area. And then what I think is honestly most exciting about this workshop is there's code here written for you to isolate this data by county or city. So here we have isolated the data for Santa Clara County, and in the code, kind of reading through the instructions, you could adapt this to isolate the parking in Alameda County, for example. And then we're going to look at the city of San Jose and isolate the amounts of parking in the city of San Jose within Santa Clara County. Finally, I'm going to show you some additional maps we've included at the bottom here. There's some code in here where you can add a base map, which is great, kind of giving the user a sense of where this parking is located if you wanted to look at a really small area. And finally, we have some code here to make an interactive map. So here's an interactive map of just the area around Diridon Station. And finally, we have this interactive map here that's really looking at the entire Bay Area. Maybe you wanted to, if you wanted to start here and think about an area that you would zoom in on in your own analysis. We really hope that all the code in this notebook is useful and inspiring to you. And please let us know if you use it. Thanks so much.